Reactivation. This bad boy is very, very important. And what it is when you fall off the horse, when you have a bad week, when you have bad day in nutrition, bad training, when you miss sessions out, what do you do to get back on? Is it a word that you have, a saying? Is it you're going for a quick, snappy workout? You've got to go through this process of getting back on and not feeling down or negative and getting back into the positive, getting shit done zone. Okay, so I like to do a quick, snappy little session. It might not even be a full session. Just go and do maybe a couple of pull-ups or a couple of push-ups or a couple of squats. And my psychological activation is stop. I say stop, and then I look at, okay, I can do this. I just say I can do this, and then it helps massively. And employing this is huge to you getting your results and keeping them. And it's a constant cycle that everyone needs to go through. Everyone does. If you look at Olympians, they go through this process probably every day. They might fall off the horse with some negative thinking, or they might have a bad week of training. Okay, you're not alone if you feel that this is something that other people don't have to do this. Everyone needs to do this. You need to do this. Employ this bad boy. Come up with a phrase or something that you do to reactivate.